name's Andrew, and welcome back to the third installment of the text-based calculator series. And today we will be learning how to do user input in Java, so that way when we type our 6 and our plus and our 6 to get 12, we actually can take that user input and turn it into something meaningful in Java code. The first thing we need to do to take user input is import java.util.scanner with a capital S semicolon. This is a class. It's called the scanner class. And what that allows us to do is take user input with a pre-set up class, which is like we're in a class right now, and it's a scanner class that allows us to take user input. It's great. It's already set up. It's perfect. Now we need to initialize our class by typing scanner sc equals new scanner capital S in parentheses system.in semicolon. Now we're initialized. Now we are ready to take user input. I've already typed a little bit of stuff here. We got three variables. We got our string, we got our integer, and we got our double. Name, num1, and num2. Currently this says, give me your name and 2 of your favorite numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is set up the name user input anyway. So we're going to type name equals sc.next in parentheses semicolon. Done. Now if we ran this program, it could say give me your name, and you type in your name and it would have it for you. It would save name. It would save whatever you typed as your name rather into the name variable. But next we're going to type num1 equals sc.next int being capitalized with parentheses and a semicolon. Now since we did next int here because it's an integer, num1's an integer, now we're going to do num2 equals sc.next double. And I only did the integer and the double for our number 1 and number 2 just to show you that this is how you set it up. sc.next works with strings. So now, just as a proof of concept, we're going to have it say welcome plus name. We're going to have it system.out.println. We're going to have it say plus num1, or rather just num1 will work. And then we're going to do another system.out.println, and we're going to say num2. So now we're going to see if what we type is going to get reprinted to us. Welcome Andrew 37 5.5, something like that. So let's run our little program we just made. Okay. Give me your name and 2 of your favorite numbers. My name's Andrew. Space 37 is one of my favorite numbers. And apparently we're going to go 6.8954 is my second favorite number, obviously. Enter. Welcome Andrew 37 6.854. So what we just did was we outputted, hey, give me your name and your favorite 2 numbers. We stored 3 variables, our name in a string, our favorite first number, which doesn't have a decimal because it's an integer, and then for proof of concept, my other favorite number with a decimal, and it saved it for us. So now, just to preface what we're going to do in the next episode, theoretically, now that we have this information saved, we could system.out.println and do some math inside of here. So we could do num1 plus num2. So let's run it again. Give me your name and your favorite number. Andrew 37 60. Let's do 63. Boom. So it told us that welcome Andrew, one of your favorite numbers is 37 and one of your favorite numbers is 63, and if you add those together it gives you 100. So that right there, you can probably already see the ability to make a calculator kind of in what we've learned already. Now we can use variables, we can use system.out.println, and we know a little bit about the scanner variable. So in the next episode, we're going to get right into the calculator. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.